Now folks, you can see that there's a comparison how dirty this filter is. That one is just totally black, don't you see that? So that's why you need to change it. I think you need to change it by 2 to 3 months. You know, before after you have to be changing this. It's only $36 folks. Simply open the top cover. You got the proper wrench right there and that will do the job, okay? It's a very simple job. So don't go to, truck stop, they're gonna charge you $50, $100 for doing, you can do it in about 5-10 minutes if you proper, tools. Okay, folks? Right. That's really dirty, look at that. Right? So simply, you can just pull it out. Pull it out. And then put the new one, okay? That's it. Very simple job, okay folks? We need to don't feel that is doing this stuff, alright? Alright folks, thank you for watching. If you do thumbs up, I will really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Hello folks. Now I'd like to show you this fuel filter air dryer. Sometimes the fuel's gonna be slowly going up all the way top. That means you have to change this brand new fuel filter air dryer. Now what happened once starting to bottom all the way full, because you fuel all the way top, that means even you can see that this is how dirty inside, that's black, and this is totally white. That's comparison right there. That means how dirty the filter is. So you have to be changing. Sometimes you're going to here, your maximum drive probably 15 to 30 miles an hour. You are wondering it doesn't have no engine power. Because that once all the way top, your fuel engine circulation not properly fuel to the injector, that will cause a slow down your engine power. Not just your weight of 40,000 pounds or 80,000 pounds in a heavy load. Because this is a problem, you have to be changed. Once you change it like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you will slowly see halfway full, up and down. Once you full all the way on top, you have to be changing before that. Okay, this costs only it's not much. This I got from the Volvo dealer. This Fligar LE Max. That's part number FS 19765. Okay, so right here the part number FS 19675 only selling for this is a plus size 3615. This only costs about 3615. And sometimes you don't have any engine power because this. You have to be checked. Once you replace a brand new one, you have to check like 2 to 3 months before that. You check that how much this fuel up and down. Okay. So once you can change, going to your truck with the Volvo dealer, you need to get this proper wrench. Okay, you buy that. Simply you can put it in. That's a notch right there. See that? Then you can just loosen them up. So you can easily loosen them up. You can tie this. Okay. Now you can drain also your emergency. You don't have any brand new filter underneath. There's a knob. Okay. You can simply press down. You can release that temporarily so you can try where you need to go. So that also your engine power when you're going to hill, maybe very slow down 15 to 30 miles, because this you can change that. Okay folks, that's what I have to show you. Save money, because right now it's very tough for truck drivers right now. Yeah, have a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel. If you don't like my channel, still subscribe. I will say thank you for you folks anyway. God bless you all. Love you all. So long.